Good morning, guys. Well, I told you I'd keep documenting, so here we are. The heater doesn't work, of course. It just doesn't keep the room warm. It makes a lot of noise. The heat in here right now is, you can see 59. Sorry about the angle here. There it is, 59. It's been between 55 and 59 in here, basically. I had to turn the refrigerator off. Sorry, I'm still awake. I'm trying to wake up. Because the noise was just piercing through my skull with a wicked headache. Space heaters aren't a primary heat source. They're, not that safe. You shouldn't go to sleep with them on. And I'm not going to go through that. You can see there is a rather large hot water baseboard here. There should be no reason why it doesn't work. Sorry, I washed out my sweatpants there. If you do this much work in a little room like this, there's no reason. The electrician now has lied to the realtor, which is unfortunate, but that's what he did. The TV doesn't work. Okay, somebody leaves a TV, you have to buy a remote, you have to buy cable, or you have to buy a lot of other things. So that's no big deal. But I'm not going to run a space heater all night long that doesn't work well. We've been through this before, every single apartment, and I will make a list of apartments for all the haters out there now on my page telling me people need to be in mental institutions. Wow. Yes, we did do that before. We did lock up women that reported abuse or were sexually assaulted or raped. So keep leaving the pages and people can continue to see what the response is. And the response is in the community here too. So lo and behold, last night, these people pounded across the floor all night long because this thing, I guess, gets set up. I heard them repeatedly on State Street. And guess what? No burning last night, all last night. Once Kathy, the realtor, sent me the terse text about how these people accused me of yelling. Yes, a couple times I did say, cut it out. It's burning me. And yes, that was going on. I was being burned, and I'm not gonna be ashamed or whatever, or feel I can't defend myself or say something when somebody's burning me all night long from another apartment. So, yeah, I did say a couple times, leave me alone and stop burning me. I should be able to, raise my voice in my apartment once in a while like everybody else. But anyway, all night long, the pounding and the moving furniture around or however they set this thing up. And guess what? Other than my headache right now from the refrigerator, the loud noise, because the refrigerator oftentimes is controlled, and it seems to be controlled here, blasting, to the point you wake up with a glaring headache, which I did at 4 o'clock, but the burning's gone. Isn't that amazing? Isn't it amazing we can turn this on and off at will once we get someone evicted and once we start making threats that we're going to call the police because you're making a disturbance. They even got on my page, on my YouTube page, and started saying that I was going to be evicted and thrown out and I'm making a disturbance and a scene and all this other stuff. So I'll continue to report. So yes, now I've been asked to leave after they go through this whole thing. And of course, they know how to work with the police. We've been through that before. So I'll continue to report, guys, because this is what's going on in our communities. They would rather protect pedophiles, rapists, and traffickers than victims. And I will continue to talk about it. Be safe.